Battery is very low. How can you fix that? On one of my laptops, I got it plugged in, but it's still coming up with that. It's a faulty battery, I know, but if it's plugged in, it should be alright, but it isn't. So I'm going to go to um, Device Manager. Okay, you want Device Manager, you've got all the devices here. So you want to go to the second one, batteries, and this one here, Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. And if I click on there, I want to go to the driver, and you want to disable this device. Because the problem is that's telling the laptop, the computer that is too low, that's all shut down. Even if it's plugged in, it's still shutting everything down. So you need to disable that device there. It's not on this laptop, it's not going to do it. But you have to disable that second one, otherwise the laptop is getting that message. Your battery is very low, even if it's plugged in. And that's what's happened. That causes a lot of problems. I'm going to disable that by clicking there, driver, and disable device. Disable the device because it's not functioning. I'm not going to do it on this one. That's how you can solve that problem.